Hi, Namaste. I am Gowthami. Welcome back to our channel. How are you people? Let me know in the comments. In this video, I am going to show you an wonderful website that is going to grade you for your English speaking skills. This is a website that is created by the University of Cambridge. Okay, it is a research project. It is a website. I am damn sure that this video will be very useful to you. So watch till the end without skipping it. You may practice in a lot of applications enrolling yourself, or you may practice with so many people, but at some point you would doubt yourself whether you are improving in your English speaking skills or not, right? If you are in that situation, you can go to this website and take a test of just 8 questions that an artificial intelligence, a robot, is going to ask you 8 questions, and it is also going to give you a grade. By this, you can get to know at which grade you are. Either you are in A1 level, A2 level, B1, B2, C1 or C2. Okay, so without any delay, let's get into the video. But before that, make sure that you click on that like button so that it boosts me up and helps me to do more and more videos because you are liking these type of videos. So now directly get into the demo of this website. First of all, let me tell you that it is a free application. Directly you can go to the Google and type Speak and Improve. Okay, the name of the website is Speak and Improve. Once you type there, then you are going to get the display like this. And let me tell you a few points. Here you will be given 8 questions and one robot is going to ask you the questions. Okay, the name of the robot is Sandy. Okay, now it is going to ask you some questions and you need to answer those questions within that given time. Okay, so let us try this. It is a free website and you can trust it. There are no personal issues. Till date, no one has complained about any unfair use. I hope you can use this website freely without any doubts. Okay, so now we need to just click on start speaking. It is redirecting me to a new page. So here we have options like check the microphone or answer a question. First of all, you need to check the microphone because you need to be clear about each and every pronunciation of the word, pronunciation of each and every word, because the robot is going to catch your pronunciation, and based on that, based on the answers that you are giving to the robot, I mean Sandy is going to grade you. So make sure that your microphone is in good condition. Okay, let me check my microphone. Hi Sandy, how are you? I hope you are doing well. See, if the app is working, it is going to display like this. See, okay. I don't know whether you are able to watch it or not. I will provide the screen recording right here. Okay. So I am clicking the next option. Yeah, let's start. First question.
What's your name?
If you did not understand any question, again click on the listen to the question, then you can listen it again.
What's your name?
Right? So now I'm going to answer. Hi Sandy, my name is Gowthami. Okay, once you have answered the question, then you can again listen to your answer, and if you are not satisfied with the answer that you have given, you can again try again. Okay, if you click on try again, the whole answer will reset, and again you can listen to your answer. Let me listen my answer. Hi Sandy, my name is Gowthami. Okay, so I am satisfied and I am moving on to the next question.
How do you spell your family name?
Okay, it is asking me what is my family name and its spelling, right? So let me tell the answer. Right, next I am going to the next question.
Where are you from?
Where are you from? If you listen to this question, make sure that you are mentioning about your place of birth. Okay, not the country that you are living. Try to mention the place of your birth, your native place. Okay, as you all know, I am from Andhra Pradesh, so I am going to answer that. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
I am currently working. Okay, if you are studying, then you need to say that you are studying so and so. Okay, next.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
So Sandy is asking me whether I am interested in learning about other countries, and if I am, then how much I am interested. Right. So I think this is a very interesting question. Let me answer. I am really interested in learning about different countries because when we learn about different countries, we come to know the culture, the tradition, generally what they do in their lives, right? So I like to know more about different countries. So I have completed my answer. Okay.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
So Sandy is asking me how do I enjoy my free time, right? So let me answer this question. You need to remember that don't try to use the same sentence, same words that I am using while doing the demo. This is just a demo. I'm just giving a little bit example on how you can practice. Okay. Think of your own sentences. Think of how you enjoy yourself. Okay.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
To be frank, my day is a little tied up, but whenever I have free time, I try to spend my free time by shooting videos. And not only that, I go out with my family members to have a dinner or spend time with them. And I binge watch movies if I have a lot of time. That is what I do during my free time. Okay, if you want to listen to the answer again, you can click on listen to answer. Now I am going forward to the next question.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
Very interesting question, right? According to me, what is my opinion, I am going to tell to Sandy now. So, okay, according to me, the best way to improve English is listening and speaking. Okay, by doing both of these activities, we can get the correct pronunciation of the words and how to use different sentences. And one more thing is that I do not mean that we can neglect all the different writing and reading skills, but oh no. Okay, it's time up. Let's see. Let's go to the next question. I have so much to say, but
You could learn a new skill. What would it be?
if I could learn a new skill, what could it be? Okay, let's give it a try. If I could learn a new skill, it would be definitely how to improve my communication skills, and I also prefer to improve my public speaking skills because I am very much interested to motivate people and bring their capacities and capabilities out from them. So that is what I prefer. Okay. So we have completed all the 8 questions, and next I am going to see the feedback. Now it's going to give the score. I think you are able to see. Okay. See. Are you able to see? I think you are not able to see. Okay, I'm going to put the screenshot there. I am in the B2 level. Okay, this is how I came to know that I am in B2 level. You need to make sure that you must know your level. Only then you will come to know what to practice and what to leave ahead. If you know that you are good at your pronunciation, then try to practice pronunciation, but don't put a lot of time only to pronunciation because you are already good at it, right? By this you would get to know what are your weak areas, right? So now I came to know that I am in B2 level, and now it's your turn. Please check out this website. This is absolutely free of cost and will really help you a lot. I suggest you to take this test of just 8 questions. Get to know at which level you are, and not only that, please put it in the comments. Okay, please put it in the comments so that I would get an idea of all of you people. Okay, if I reach 5,000 subscribers, I am planning to make a live session in which I am going to do the first live of this channel. Okay, I hope 5,000 subscribers as soon as possible, and catch you in the live session. This is all for today's video, and now at least if you like the video, please click that like button and share it to your friends and family members. Okay, please share. If you are in any groups, then feel free to share this video so that they would also know their level, they would also access their English level. Okay, so I am quite happy I am in B2 level. Hope you are also going to get good results. Now I am working towards my advanced speaking English skills. Okay, see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for joining me till the end.